Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys top 7 Android application 2020. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Number 1. Liquid Teardown. Liquid Teardown which show the internal of the latest smartphone for the always on display when charging and it looks super cool. This application offers you the internal design of some latest smartphone from Samsung, OnePlus, Google, LG and Xiaomi, which you can select according to your device. The developer of the application designed the internal is very minimum and clear, and I will highly recommend it to you try this application. Next we have a design studio. If you are a creator or if you frequently post design on social media to attract your online viewer, this application for you. You can create graphics design, entities and logo for free. You can create original logo, visiting card, cover image and various design elements for business category here, which you can use to making the change to color design element front. Not only that, you can create beautiful posts for your social media and you also make thumbnail for YouTube and various the social media platform. Our next application is kwgt custom widget maker. kwgt is the best custom widget maker. So how to add kwgt widgets to your home screen? It's so pretty. kwgt is the best custom widget maker. So how to add kwgt widget to your home screen? It's pretty simple. Just go to widgets and add the blank kwgt widgets on your home screen. Once you do that, to tap on the widgets and here you can customize the widgets whatever you want. This is just guideline for your branding your own creativity and make your own home screen, and make sure that you add your own tasks, maybe like different wallpaper and different widgets and different agreement of icon and something like that. Our next app is White Launcher. White Launcher is the very unique launcher which is different from our regular launcher at the home screen. You can get this launcher is very expandable and you can customize as per your choice. You can use minimum app utilize plan, even more beautiful home screen setup. This application is very smooth. I really like this app customization, which is really very good. Coming back to the customization, the launcher is highly customization launcher and widgets are also very good. If you're looking for a new launcher for your phone, then definitely check it. Our next application is Warbox. Warbox is complete toolbox for WhatsApp application. Warbox comes with very interesting feature. You can download the status upload by just one click. Next feature is very interesting for those people who chatting with working. And you also delete unnecessary file just one click. Next feature, you can create fake chat and fake call and shake your phone to open WhatsApp. So this all feature is very interesting and you also get very interesting feature emoji and etc. I really recommend it to use this application. Our next application is Welpy. Welpy is the free wallpaper application. Enjoy new wallpaper every day. You get two options, latest and trending. All the options you can get very good and clear wallpaper. And you also get auto change wallpaper option, so you can enjoy new wallpaper every day. This app customization really very good. If you're looking for a new free wallpaper application, Welpy really best for you. Well, our last application is Minma icon pack. Minma icon pack is really great. You can get 900 customized icon, which is really great. You can customize your each and every app on your way, and this is really very good. Well, this is all about top 7 Android application 2020. And by the way, this top 7 application also worth it 2021. Well, I'm Shadowsan Shojib from SHADAT'S Dayout. See you next time to another video. Allah Hafiz.